Hi guys, it's Marlene. I am one of the information girls, and today we're going to talk about the community guidelines of violent or graphic content policy. So all of this information will be linked in the description box or in the comment section. So what does this policy mean to you? If you're posting content with violent acts, inciting others to commit violent acts against individuals or a defined group of people, encouraging others to go to a particular place to commit violence, to perform violence at a particular time, targeting specific individuals or groups with violence, beatings or brawls outside the context of professional or professionally supervised sporting events, fights involving minors, actual schoolyard fights between minors, graphic content such as footage, audio, or imagery, including any of the following: road accidents, natural disasters, war aftermath, terrorist attack aftermath, street fights, physical attacks, immolation, torture, corpses, protests or riots, robberies, medical procedures, or other such scenarios with the intent to shock or disgust viewers. Footage of imagery of body fluids such as blood or vomit with the intent to shock or disgust viewers. Footage of corpses with massive injuries such as severed limbs. Animal abuse or violence. Content that includes a human maliciously causing an animal to experience suffering when not for traditional or standard purposes such as hunting or food preparation. Content featuring animal rescue that has been staged and in places for the animal for harmful scenarios. Content where animals are encouraged or coerced to fight by humans. Dramatized or fictional footage. Content featuring anything listed above where the viewer is not given context to understand that the footage is fictional or dramatized. Note that this is not a complete list. Keep in mind that this policy applies to videos, video descriptions, thumbnails, content, comments, live streams, and other YouTube product or features. Here are some examples: encouraging others to go to a particular place at a particular time. All of that is going to be linked into the description box. This video that I just gave the educational information from. I am Marlene, and I am one of the information girls. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss any future uploads. And as we say on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you get